Welcome to part 2 of prepositions and cases. In the previous screencast we talked about the group of prepositions which are followed by accusative and the ones which are followed by dative. Here's our third set. One group of prepositions is called variable or mixed, or sometimes even two-way prepositions. Why? Well, sometimes they take accusative and sometimes dative. Uh-oh. Not as hard as it sounds. Let's have a look. Here they are. The first one is auf, meaning on. Unter, under. An is on with vertical surfaces such as on the wall. Über, meaning over or above. Zwischen, meaning between. In, neben, next to. Hinter, behind. For, in front of. And there they all are together, all 9 of them. They're prepositions of position. So how do we know then when to use dative or accusative? Compare these two sentences. Die Wäsche hängt zwischen den Häusern. The washing is hanging between the houses. Versus Der Junge läuft zwischen die Häuser. The boy runs between the houses. Similar. So in each case we have the preposition zwischen. But what's the difference? After zwischen in the first sentence we have den Häusern, the houses, and this is dative case. In the second we have die Häuser, and this one's accusative. So how do we tell why was one dative and one accusative? It's all about the verbs again, and here they are. In the first one it's hängt, hanging. In the second, run or running. What is the difference? Well, in the first one, it's about motion and no motion. Okay, in the first sentence, it's just hanging there, there's no movement. And in the second one, running, there's motion. So that's the difference. The rule is then, when there's motion, you have to use the accusative case after these prepositions. And when there's no motion, you use the dative case. There it is, our rule. Motion accusative, no motion dative. Examples. Wir sitzen in something Kaffee. Aha, there's our preposition, in. Is there motion in this sentence? Don't know. What's the verb? There it is, sitzen, sitting. No motion. So what's the rule? No motion, dative. So it's das Kaffee, it's neuter. So in dem Kaffee. We sit or are sitting in the cafe. Now in dem, it's worth noting, is sometimes contracted to im. So im is the same as in dem. Second example. Aha! In is our preposition again. Let's figure out, is there motion or no motion? Where's our verb? Well, it has 2 parts this time. Will gehen, want to go. Is there motion? Yes, there is. Gehen indicates motion. What's the rule? Motion, accusative. Again, it's das Kino. So therefore, das. Ich will in das Kino gehen. I want to go to the cinema. Again, there's a contraction involved here often. In das often becomes ins, and you'll probably recognize this. So, with variable prepositions, and these are the ones of position, on, under, behind, between, and so on, motion accusative, no motion dative. Good luck, just takes practice.